Okay, we're gonna put on a basket. So the first thing you have to do is disconnect the headlight. So red to red, disconnect that. Second, take your tool from your toolkit. You're gonna use the large end and the number 10. You're gonna put the number 10 on the nut, and you're gonna unscrew your light. Next, we're going to take the largest Allen key in the toolkit, and we're going to disconnect all 4 of the bolts where your basket's actually going to connect. Make sure you hold the washers. Okay, next, well, one thing quickly, you're gonna wanna reattach the bolt that held the light so that your fender stays on. But the next step is the part that we always overthink. How are we gonna get this basket on without interrupting your wires? And the overthinking that tends to bite us here, because it's super simple. You put the basket on and the wires will easily go over top. So again, repeat the process in reverse. You're gonna take the nut with, or sorry, the bolt with the washers, and you're going to reattach. Hand tighten that first. Get it set. Make sure that you don't cross thread it. And put the other 3 bolts on. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is add your headlight wire extender. So with that, you're going to put in the large piece that's sticking out, line up the arrows, and that can just come to the side. Now again, what people worry about is, okay, this is going to get stuck. What's gonna happen is we're gonna actually tie it on up to the top here. And then as you can see, there's plenty of movement back and forth. First, put the basket on. So the next step is the actual basket install. This may require, depending on how you've adjusted your brakes and whatnot, this may require some adjustment, but the way we have it built from the factory, it doesn't. Your hands won't touch, your brakes won't touch when you're going across. Pretty simple, line up the holes, put your bolts with washers in, and hand tighten. Okay, this is your number 4mm. So once you have it hand tightened, you can torque it in the rest of the way. And the last step is connecting the headlight to the front. And the very last step is connecting, again, your headlight with the extender, and it is done. Now, what I suggest is that you take a couple zip ties just to keep the wires in and out of the way and keep the basket wire in from dangling down. And that's it. That's how you put the basket set on the baddest all-wheel drive e-bike in Canada.